The energy landscape is changing rapidly. As renewable generation scales, battery storage explodes, and AI data centers drive unprecedented demand, the need for intelligent, real-time energy management has never been more critical. Today, Homerun Resources is proud to unveil the Hub, our AI-powered energy management system that's redefining how organizations orchestrate, optimize, and monetize their energy infrastructure. The Hub isn't just another monitoring platform. It's a comprehensive AI solution that agnostically integrates generation, including alt-gen, battery storage, devices like inverters and EV charging, and grid connectivity into one unified, intelligent system. Operating both at the edge and in the cloud, the Hub delivers real-time optimization, predictive analytics, and automated control, turning complex energy assets into seamlessly coordinated ecosystems. And we're not just talking about the future. The Hub has already been successfully installed on battery energy storage systems from Homerun Energy, one of the largest Tier 1 photovoltaic and battery technology manufacturers, proving its compatibility with industry-leading hardware and its readiness for global deployment. Let's see just how simple and powerful the Hub really is with a live demonstration from Dr. Luca Sorbello at a customer site location in Madrid, Spain.
Hi everybody, I'm Luca Sorbello, I'm the CEO of Homerun Energy. Today I'll show you how complicated it is to install our hub into a Horizon battery. Now this is a very large 200 kilowatt-hour battery from Horizon technology in China, and this is a fully working battery. The battery is plugged in. We are now going to insert our device to monitor the battery. And to do that, you simply plug the network, plug the power, and that's it. The system is connected. Now you switch it on, and that's it. The battery, the EMS is fully connected, and it will read all the parameters from the battery, and it will communicate them directly with our cloud system. That means you can stay in your office and see what the battery is producing, how is it producing, and you can even decide if stopping charging, restarting charging, or moving the power from the grid off grid and vice versa. So as you notice, it's incredibly versatile, it's incredibly easy to set up, and it's incredibly powerful. This is an indoor model, but we also have the outdoor model where it's the same with a different box that you can stick on a field wherever you want. And it will connect with PV, with large batteries. It will connect you with commercial or industrial PV and batteries, or even with utility scale to make your own microgrid. Thank you.
As you just saw, the Hub's installation and automatic cloud platform integration is remarkably simple, yet its capabilities are transformative. With the Hub, energy operators can monitor performance, control charging and discharging, manage grid interactions, and optimize energy flows, all from a single cloud-based platform accessible anywhere in the world and on any device. Whether you're managing a single commercial battery, a distributed fleet of EV chargers, megawatt chargers for a large truck fleet, or an entire utility-scale microgrid, the Hub scales effortlessly to meet your needs. The Hub is also currently undergoing advanced testing for EV fleet charging integration in partnership with our UK-based partner, with pilot tests being conducted for one of the largest automotive manufacturers in the UK/EU, expanding its capabilities to manage the explosive growth in electric vehicle infrastructure and ensuring seamless coordination between transportation, storage, and renewable and/or grid generation. Through our strategic partnership with Sea Solar Photovoltaica, Homerun has immediate access to over 2,800 active customers across 9 countries, giving us a proven commercial channel and revenue-generating customer base ready for the Hub's deployment. This is more than technology. This is the future of energy intelligence. The Hub, AI-powered energy orchestration, ready now. To learn more about the Hub and explore partnership opportunities, visit homerunenergy.com or contact our team directly.